refrigerator running.
Yeah, that got some unfortunate news. Actually sent my fridge to be scrapped recently. It's just not performing like it used to, and we're looking for an upgrade. And I was just sent to one of these lumps. Couldn't remove it off the top shelf.
Norwich University of the Arts.
Just before sunset, through a salad you could cut with a knife. The refrigerator makes one last trip before it is reborn. Strip the pieces, wondering if it become a microwave. Switch the warm in its next appliance life.